Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add customer sales receipt into QuickBooks, right? So there are multiple ways to go there. First being you can use the shortcut customers and customer center will open, right? Now here you can do new customer before you can go for its sales receipt, right? Alternatively, you can go to new transaction sales receipt, right? So if customer is not added, so it will be pointing you to add the customer for this particular receipt. So first thing we'll do is we will go to customers, then add customer, right? So we are in the same customer center here. So first thing, let's go and add new customer, right? So let's add the customer name, something like, let's say Elementor LLC, right? So opening balance 00, right? And then we have company name Elementor LLC, right? Payment setting, account number, let's say 0012300123. Payment terms, let's say due on receipt or net 60, right? Preferred delivery, email or mail. So let's keep that. Then you have option to accept credit cards, but you'll have to enable this, right? Also you have ACH option, you can check that. So you can accept from within QuickBooks. If you have QuickBooks Online, you can easily do this, or if you have desktop version, you will have to set up the flow for accepting payment. Then you have sales tax setting, you can have tax item out of state. Then additional info, customer type is, let's say, retail. We don't have representative for that. Then job info, let's say service, job type commercial, job status in progress, right? So we have one customer, we can now add it, and here we have, right? Now the next thing that we will be going for is creating a receipt for this customer through new transaction. So we go to new transaction, sales receipt, right? Here we have customer, then we have its class. If you want to add or create new class, you can do so. Now comes the item. So let's say I'm doing DBA consulting for this. So let's say SQL Server consulting, and we have tax out of state. Quantity is, let's say I have 5 hours of consulting with the rate of, let's say, 250, right? And amount, okay, you are charging your standard price for item. Did you know you can set up custom price rates? Okay, so you will not be going for custom rates, so click OK. Now here you see we have 5 hours, our standard rate, and amount becomes 1250, right? Now we have our sales receipt ready, right? On the right hand side you can see the summary, open balance is 0, and then we have transaction option in case we happen to use online flow for this sales receipt, so that we can accept it. So they can use cash, check, credit card, debit card, e-check, or more options, right? So we can add payment method here, and when we send email, it would be possible for them to pay for it, right? So this is our sales receipt. If they are within your state, you can use the tax option here. You will have to add percentage, so they will be applied here, and total invoice will be with addition of that tax, right? There is also customer message. You can use all work is complete, or we appreciate your prompt payment, all work is complete, right? So we'll have that. Then memo, you can add anything. Then you have customer tax code if applicable, so taxable sales. Then save and close, right? So we have one sales receipt added here. And so what we have done so far is we went to customer center, we added one customer, we then created sales receipt. If you already have the customers ready, then adding sales receipt just through new transaction, then sales receipt becomes simple step.